Introducing the sleek and efficient 2026 Volvo X30 Plus in elegant black. This electric beauty boasts a host of comfort and safety features, such as ambient lighting, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags. With stylish interior touches like cup holders and a load cover, this vehicle is both practical and luxurious. Rest easy, knowing this Volvo has been fully serviced, comes with a comprehensive warranty, and has undergone a multi-point health and safety check. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line estate/Jeep. For more information, contact us at xxx/xxxxxxx or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie. Upgrade your driving experience with the 2026 Volvo X30 Plus.